I'm so sick right now. Only one thing I can think of. Let's make a chicken soup. Carrot, celery, and onion. Rosemary. Parsley. Some garlic. Secret ingredient, fresh ginger. I'm putting them in whole so I can eat them afterwards. I'll try some now. Oh. 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 Oh, that bites. I'll take some more though. Raw ginger. I'm gonna keep eating that. I don't have fresh thyme, so I'm using dry thyme. I didn't have the time. Oh, that ginger's really getting me. Add a pinch of salt. Just a pinch, not a punch. And some pepper. Oh. That ginger's really getting me. Woo! Here's the star of the show. Whole chicken. Let's get this guy on the stove.
Once we've brought our soup to a boil with that whole chicken in there, we'll lower it down to a medium-low heat. That way it has time to simmer and cook up that chicken. It's approximately 60 to 90 minutes that I'll cook it in the pot for. Then I'll go ahead and remove that and debone all the chicken. That way I can add it right back into that broth. You could also use this as an opportunity if you wanted to strain the entire chicken broth. That way you do have plain chicken broth to be able to use for cooking at a future date. Of course, this time I am interested in the actual chicken soup. So here I'm deboning all of the chicken. Be careful here and be sure to get all of those little bones out. Both the white and the dark meat. I am using the entire chicken here. This is a lot of soup, and that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and eat this until I am better. Apologies for the scratchy voice, of course. Make sure you remove all of those bones from that chicken breast as well, and I try and salvage as much of the chicken, and I go ahead and add that right back into the pot. And today I've even decided to add some rice in there as well. So there goes the rice right back into that pot with the broth. I've added back in that deboned chicken. I'll give that a nice little mix and I'll leave that simmer for another 30 minutes or so. There's not much you have to do once you have added all of your ingredients in.
If you got the flu, I got the soup for you.
You'll notice here I'm using my ladle to fill up my measuring cup. And this way it is a lot easier to go ahead and add it into my mason jars versus spilling it everywhere.
I hope this cures me. Yep. Boom. Oh, man. If you need a chicken soup, I'm all in on the chicken soup. It's so hot. You can even add some lemon juice in there if you'd like to. This is great. I've got soup that's going to last me. I'm going to be eating soup for the next 2 weeks. Wow. I've got soup everywhere. I've got soup here. I've got soup here. Look. Look how much I've got left. I've got all this soup left. There's so much. Rice and everything. I'll figure it out. Okay, bye.